So in this PicsArt tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the background of an image here on PicsArt. So once you have PicsArt open up on your device, what I want you to do is first off, find a photo that you think would be pretty easy to remove the background of. So for this one right here, I just grabbed a stock image of some flowers right here. So hopefully I can remove the background of this. So once that is done, what I want you to do is go to this bottom bar right here, and you can either swipe this all the way to the right or all the way to the left, depending on where you're sort of at. But if you wanted to go to where it says remove background, simply just press on remove BG right here. And what it'll do is it'll now sense the background of it here and do its best to remove the background. So as you can tell, that is done right here. As you can edit the image by tapping it, or what you can do also is just sort of play around with it, and that is pretty much the gist of it though. So once that is done, the background is now removed to the best of its ability, and there you go. Pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can remove the background of an image here on PicsArt. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.